Hello guys, good morning as usual. I'm here in the balcony to have sunlight. Happy Friday and happy Heart Day everyone. It's weekend again. Today is Friday, middle of the month of February. See, you wanna see the sun. The sun is there. It's the sun. And view of the back.